Given that triangle KPM is congruent to triangle AYC, what can we determine? Before, when I told you that the order of things really mattered, we can actually see right away that K matches up with A. So K gets 1 mark and A gets 1 mark. And then we can look at P matching up to Y. Let's give P 2 marks and give Y 2 marks. Blow this up a little bit so it's easier for me to write. And then M and C go together. So those get 1, 2, 3 marks. 1, 2, 3 marks. Let's look at the sides and how those go together. KP and AY are sides that match up. So KP, let's give that 1 mark, and AY gets 1 mark. And then we can look at PM and YC. So PM, let's give that 2, and YC gets 2 marks. And then the first and the last go together. So KM and AC, those go together. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm going to erase that marking right there. All right, so now we can go ahead and use that to fill this in. So on part A, KM goes to AC. Find segment AC. CY goes to MP. PK goes to YA. Angle Y goes to angle P. Angle K goes to angle A. Angle ACY is this angle ACY. So that's this angle over here, and that will be the same thing as angle KMP. That's this angle going there. Triangle MPK will be congruent to triangle CYA, and triangle YAC will be congruent to triangle PKM. Given that these two triangles are congruent, what can you determine? I'd like you to pause your video and fill in as much of this as you can on your own and then come back. Okay, hopefully you actually paused your video and you looked at the fact that S was congruent to B and T was congruent to F and N was congruent to W. So using that information, BN should have been the same as SW. So SW is 9 centimeters. So that should be the same as SW, which equaled 9 centimeters. Looking at TW, TW should have been the same as FN, which means that that should be 14 centimeters. So this should be 9, this should be 14, and that means that BF equaled ST, and ST was 17 centimeters. Looking at the angles, W and N. So the W should be 82 degrees. B and S went together, so B should be 67. And F went to angle T, and so you actually needed to stop and do the math. If you have 67 plus 82 plus the third angle, that should equal 180. Adding those together, 149 plus T equals 180. Subtracting 149 from both sides of the equation is 31, and that should be 31 degrees.